Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Themes app because that is where the active package lives and you want a safe fallback. Make a quick backup, export or save custom icons, fonts, or lock screen items so you can restore them if needed. Once done, take screenshots of your home and lock layouts to recreate positions later. This avoids surprises. Now that your data is safe, move directly to disabling the theme so you can revert to the system default cleanly and without data loss. You now revert the phone to the system theme so visuals, icons, and fonts return to stock. Open the active theme in Themes and tap Apply Default or Revert. That immediately restores MIUI defaults. If there is no direct revert, go to Settings, then Display or Wallpapers and Styles, and select the default system style. If Android blocks changes, restart into safe mode and remove the theme app data, then reboot. Make sure to check lock screen and fonts after reboot to confirm full reversion. Finish by cleaning leftover files so the theme can't reapply itself. Go to Settings, Apps, Find Themes, then Clear Cache and Storage. This removes downloaded packages and settings. If the app keeps reapplying, uninstall updates or disable the Themes app and reboot to force a clean state. If issues persist, icons missing or fonts still present, try a targeted ADB package remove or, only if absolutely necessary, a factory reset after backing up. A final tip: always test a simple reboot before drastic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.